So we're back and we have this head of hair dried, and we did some flat iron. This is just the basic bones of the haircut. You can see we still got a lot to do. We're gonna create some shorter perimeters through here on both sides and really texturize this interior all the way through to make it that fun PIXIE, Pixllet type of space. All right, so in the back, what we really want to do is take out all this bulk so it's very easy to style and create the hills and valleys. So, easiest way to do that is we're going to be taking horizontal sections, grabbing this section of hair and really going in for opening up this perimeter. Opening it up with lots of deep point cutting and moving up through that section, or through this whole entire back of the head. Taking that next horizontal section, grabbing that, really start getting into it, creating a lot of shorter and longer pieces to create that textured look. Take that section and just really wherever you see a lot of density, we're trying to remove that density. Taking that next section. So we can do this, a lot of this texturizing and really breaking up this haircut now because we've already put in the bones of this haircut at the beginning. Not a lot of texturizing was happening through that part of the haircut. So we really need to soften everything up, make it look like it's not a fresh haircut. So through this crown area, I'm taking vertical sections. We're gonna be moving to a blender. This is gonna be the arc blender. And it's gonna be taking out about 15 to 20% of weight removal, so it's a softening tool instead of a weight removing tool, a bulk density removing tool. It's more of a blending and softening tool. So we can really get in there and break up those lines at the ends of the design. You can see it slowly disappear. Get all the way up through this top part. Really go about mid shaft. And start to take away some of this bulk through the top. See the ends of the hair, ends of the shapes just slowly getting a lot softer. That's what we want. So we're just removing a little bit of density and softening up everything that we've previously done. All right, still a little heavy through this area. Gonna elevate that straight out. Cut into that. take out this length just a little bit more. Gonna be over directing it straight out. Just taking that length just a little bit shorter so that we can differentiate that pixie in the front and the mullet in the back. And same thing on the other side. Make sure we take off this length just a little bit. All right. Last thing is just styling. All right, so we have done all of the refinement. You can see the mullet, the party in the back, and the pixie in the front. A little bit of a longer pixie, but you get the vibe. We're gonna start styling it and give it some airy texture. And what we're gonna be using for that is, first off, the Unite U oil, as well as the Texturizer spray from Unite as well. Love this product, creates a dirty, gritty texture that will last all day. So first thing we want to do is just 2 pumps. And we're not really focusing this on the interior, we're just focusing this on the ends of the hair. To create some shine and some texture. Now it's coming to life. And finally, get some grit in that hair. And there we go. You have your Pixllet good to go. Last but not least is going to be the LaPlay hairspray from Unite. Flexible, brushable, workable. There we are.